Okay, but what to do to make a list, not to operate on it, but to make it. If I will take C# script and I would like to create a list with starting from 0 with specific number of elements. So I would say I would like, for example, 12 element in the list. I have to change the input to be integer because this is the length of the list of the elements of the list. And let's say this is n. Um, and A will be just a new list. Okay, so I have a new list. I have 12. Let's read the outcome. Of course, now it's nothing. Let's go inside and do something. Um, I will type list, triangular brackets. I will say integer, sorry, int. And then I will type list equal to new space list, again triangle brackets, integer, and now I will say that new list, which is this name, it's equal to list. Okay, let's click OK. It is working, but it's empty inside, which is exactly like we did. So now we will just type list add 1. I add the first to the list. If I will do the same in the new line and add 2, I will have a list of 1 and 2. Now we would like to create a list with the certain number of elements. So let's use for loop. For brackets integer I equal to 0, I smaller than our n, which is the number of the elements in the list, I plus plus, and then capital brackets, and inside this capital brackets we can give him an instruction. So list add, let's say I, or 1 on the beginning. I will take this out, or I will just make it as a comment. To make it as a comment, we need to have two dashes before the code. This will make it green, and if it's green, it makes the editor, the debugger, it's not reading it. So now I see I have a list with 12 elements. Remember, it's numbering from 0. So if we have 11 starting from 0, means that this is 12 elements. So even here you see this is 12 locally default. What if I would like to have the elements which are growing from 1 to number? It's we will just place here I. So this is how the lists can be created, and also how the for loop it's working.